Welcome to our channel again. So BMW 5 Series 520D 520D 2012, and the vehicle has come to our garage with the electronic parking brake malfunction, as you can see. And let me show you that. As you can see, parking brake is not operating. You might be able to see. Look, parking brake is not applying. So the caliper was seized in on position. So the handbrake system, or the handbrake was seized in on position, and then the driver took the vehicle to a garage. So the garage then replaced the brake caliper, hand brake caliper actuator, right and left. So as you can see, brake caliper with the electronic parking brake actuator or motor. So this is left hand side replaced. I just put the tire on. So this one also replaced with the reconditioned one, as you can see, and the problem is still there. The problem didn't go away. The problem is still there. So let's scan the vehicle and see what the problem is. Okay, 520D, this is the vehicle, and I'm going to scan the vehicle. Next, yes, okay, let's select electronic parking brake, and so read fault codes. Look, 4805B7, left actuator line fault, and 480590, so left actuator short circuit to ground. So sometime yeah, that's another fault as well. So right actuator short circuit to ground. So I was going to explain this one. So as you can see, these are the fault codes, and I thoroughly cleaned the connector, the wiring connector, the female connector connected to the electronic parking brake motor or actuator, and so I put some lubricant on that, but it didn't move the problem. So what I have found, so let me show you here. So I've removed all this stuff, and I have found a pond of water, and this is the connector, so that was sunk in the water. So this is these wires are connected to the left and right electronic handbrake actuator or motor, as you can see. Look at this. But you know, when every time I clear the full code off, so when I took the vehicle to a road test drive, so sometimes it comes immediately, sometimes it comes later, because you know the water was moving whenever this connector was sinking in the water, so the fault code was occurring. So look at that. And here, this is the connector which was sunk in the water. As you can see, it was like so. So both left and right handbrake motor wiring, positive, negative, and the monitoring wire goes through this connector. So this is actually the wiring harness of the left and right electronic handbrake motors or calipers actuator. Okay, now I'm going to dry this water out and clean this connector and put that back. Now we are going to take the car for a test drive. Okay, we have driven the vehicle 3.6 mile, and let's scan the vehicle and see if we have fixed the problem. Okay, electronic parking brake. Haha, look at that, no code, no fault code. So after a road test drive 3.6 mile, and we have no fault code, so we have fixed the electronic parking brake problem. The 3 fault codes, we have rectified the problem, and then after that the fault codes have gone.